Hi everyone, thank you for watching. If you are new here, my name is Kitty and I love subscription boxes. But if you had to ask me what my favorite was, I would struggle. If you ask me what my favorite is of anything, I can't choose. But today when I was getting ready, I realized something that's going to be our fact of the day that many of you are going to find probably stupid, especially for a grown woman. But I decided today that my favorite color is green. Seriously, if I could just morph everything in my life into the color of this couch, I'd be super happy. So yeah, I used 5 different eyeshadow palettes today to get green eyeshadow look. I was like wasting way too much time. I'm like, bitch, you're just gonna put on some green shadow. So yeah, that's my fact of the day. I'm too old to admit my age, and then I just decided I have a favorite color. What is your favorite color? So today we're gonna see if I got lucky. We have the Beautylish Lucky Bag. So I got the regular one for fair to medium skin. It's $75 and you're supposed to get $150 worth of product. I had it in my budget. Well, I shouldn't say budget. I didn't budget anything, but I was planning on getting the XL bag, which is $150. But when it came down to it, it was still available because you sell it really fast. I just couldn't do it. Probably because I just decluttered a bunch of stuff and I don't need anything, but I had to get something. So if you don't know what this is, Beautylish is an online store where you could buy like makeup and, you know, it's kind of like Sephora, but online. Yeah, a makeup store. Beauty store. Beauty retailer. So every year they have this event, and I got my first one last year, and I got a Voldemort palette, you know who I'm talking about, and I'm not a fan. So they have specific mystery bags just for him, so I'm hoping after this past year of drama it won't be in my bag. And if I get any green eyeshadow or green anything in this bag, expect some like weird squealing noises to come from me. And yeah, let's get started. I was going to cheat and look, you guys, but the packaging was so cute, so I did break open the bag. So this is based on some like Japanese tradition. I don't know too much about it, but isn't that so pretty? So I didn't look, even though I wanted to. And there's a card right here. Oh, that makes sense. So this launched on New Year's. I'm sure it's sold out fast. It's definitely not available now. If somehow it is, which it's not, I'll link it. But oh, Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The Japanese character on this year's lucky bag, which means dawn or daybreak, symbolizes new beginnings after a challenging year. That's perfect. We hope the surprises inside help you welcome 2021 with hope and light. Yes. And by the way, thank you everyone. In the last video I posted, I was telling you how I was like, why I was stressed and not sleeping. Even if I look tired right now, I don't know why I have baggy eyes. I slept 9 hours, so your words made me be less panicky. I haven't done any crazy cleaning all night. So yeah, thank you. So that helped in this box, I'm sure. I like the message of it. Oh my god, this tissue paper. Saving. Oh, so far it's like old paper. And then the goods are in here. Do you guys ever bite your tongue on accident and then you just keep biting it and then it feels swollen and like you're talking weird? That happened to me. Oh, I knew there'd be something in here by Good Molecules. Which, by the way, I got some new PR from them. I haven't opened it yet. I asked my channel members what I should open today, like the 8, or 9, I'm looking over there because there's a pile of 8 or 9 beauty boxes I have with Beautylish, or to do Beautylish separate. And we all agreed Beautylish. Well, I think most of us agreed. So let's start off with the Good Molecules. I do have this, but I haven't used it yet. This is the Discoloration Correcting Serum. And Good Molecules, I have liked everything I've tried by them. I just don't really have too much discoloration on my skin. I feel like that's more common with people in different skin tones. It's going to say the like Fitzgerald class, or what is it, Fitzpatrick scale or something like that, like 3 and up. Dr. Dre taught me that, but so this is formulated to target discoloration and promote an even skin tone. I was thinking about maybe using this like in areas where I have acne scars, but I think that's great. And Good Molecules, if you guys haven't tried it and you need to like try skincare or get some more for your collection, it's affordable too. So we have a brush. Oh my god, a Sonia G brush. I've heard of these. They're like really bougie. By the way, I'll try my best to look up all the pricing and put them on the screen because there isn't a card or anything like that. But I think like just this one brush here, it might be animal fur though. So this is the, oh, I love the blue. Yeah, I used to always be like torn between blue and green. It's my favorite color. Sometimes I just say blue, but I'm like blue or green. Like, I don't even know if my eyes are blue or green. Can you guys tell I'm back to normal? I'm like rambling to you. But this is the Japan Soft Shader Sony G. Oh my god. Now I'm like, wait, I like this color blue. No, green still. But this might be like a second. This feels really nice. So it's just, again, here it is. A shader brush that probably is like $40. I don't know, that's my guess. I know it's expensive though. But I can always use new brushes, even though I have a million. I don't like cleaning them. Ooh, we have something here by Charlotte Tilbury. I like want everything from that brand, but I don't know why. Like, probably because I don't have anything. I have the Pillow Talk lipstick because I had to get it. That's like the one I heard the most about. It looks like this is a little eyeshadow palette. The Luxury Palette Color-Coded Eyeshadow. Ooh, I love minis. Oh my god, I hope there's green. What is the name of it? The Queen of Glow. Archer. He's scratching my new desk box I have yet to open. Ooh, there's no green, but it is really pretty. And I probably have these shades like a million times over, but I've never tried, that I can recall, Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow. I don't think so. Ooh, it feels so nice and buttery and smooth. So buttery. Like swatching those was so satisfying. Went on so smoothly. Like, I definitely don't need this, but I need it. Like, oh my gosh. I want to keep touching it. That's what she said. There's still 3 things to go. What is this? Lena? I don't know. There's a black box. Maybe lipstick? Lena Anderson 8. Lena Chu. Oh gosh, it's probably such a bougie brand, I don't even know. Man, there's glitter on the package. Just the little things. Hopefully you can tell. And ignore my nails. Now that I'm hopefully done obsessively cleaning, I'll be able to do them. They're like all fragile now. It's my fault. The Great Artist Velvet Matte Lipstick. Ooh, is it gonna be a red? You guys, this is so fun to open right now. Oh my god, is this a velvet case too? I mean, I mentioned I love the color of my couch, but it's velvet couch too, and I love it. Look, there's a case. This is so bougie. Velvet. Ooh. Oh my god. And look, you can see like some lines on there. So pretty. I love it. Look at this color. So pretty. That would look good with my green obsession. I love pinks too. Uh-oh. I want to put it on, but this video is already forever long. I'll wear it in the next one. Oh, 2 more things to go. Oh, I was gonna grab something else, but I saw a Stila product. At first I thought it was something else. But this is a Stila Glitter and Glow in Stylish. I don't know why I'm surprised this is in there. I mean, these are pretty expensive. I don't know if I have any at the moment. I did in the past. That was before I was like more adventurous with makeup. Stylish. I feel like this could go with anything, like a glitter topper. Yeah. So I don't even have to pretend that I'm stylish. I am not. I just wear whatever I feel like. But a stylish person would know how to make things work, and I think this is something that could work with most looks. I like it. You can probably even use it with the Charlotte Tilbury palette if you wanted. And the last thing, it looks like some skincare by Goldie, G-O-L-D-E, Papaya Bright Exfoliating Face Mask. I don't know why it's in this bag. Oh, maybe so it didn't leak or something. But it's all powder. But yeah, that still would have been annoying. So this brightening mask is made with 100% pure supplement grade superfoods, packed with vitamin C. So yeah, this is like the new trend, like powder mask. You just mix in some water, or some people say you can use like aloe and stuff. This one just is water, but there's no preservatives then, and it lasts longer. I'm lazy. I should start masking more. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna do it. So what do you guys think? Did I get lucky tonight? I think I did. That lipstick and the Charlotte Tilbury. I'm not excited about the skincare. I don't know if I'd be excited about any skincare unless it was like a new launch I was like already thinking about. Just probably, I have enough skincare to last forever, even though I've given away over half of it. But even the Glitter and Glow, that looks really pretty. Like, I'm glad it's that shade. It's something I would use. The lipstick, the brush even though I have to check with animal hair and how they treat their animals and all that stuff. But I'm really curious to see what the actual total is. I'll leave it on the screen here. It'll be floating. I don't know why I'm telling you that. You're seeing it. But I think I got lucky. For $75, I'm just guessing, like, yeah, that little palette by Charlotte Tilbury is probably at least $48. Lipstick, I just have this feeling. Maybe I'm wrong, but oh, it looks so creamy and beautiful. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Good thing I didn't film the 8 or 9 boxes, which will be the next video. That'll be a long one because I'm feeling better. Even when I'm not, I'm really chatty, but I'm glad I'm feeling better. And it's thanks to you guys. You guys are the best. Special thank you to my channel members for helping me pick today's video, and also just because you're amazing. If you guys want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link down below where you can learn the perks and join. I would absolutely love it if you did. But no worries, just by being here and watching is super helpful and supportive, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Don't forget to let me know as a grown adult what your favorite color is. I honestly would love to know. Are you guys as bad with favorites as I am? Like, I don't think it's a bad thing. I'm like a lover of things. It's not because I hate everything. It's because I like everything. I don't know. But I'm gonna get out of here, play with some makeup, film some more beauty boxes maybe. But I hope you guys are having a great night, great day wherever you are. Stay safe, stay healthy. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.